It was a day of blistering and heated exchanges in court, particularly between Presiding Judge Justice Ifiasewa Sareboche and the National Communication Officer of the National Democratic Congress, Sami Gyamfi, over some comments the National Communication Officer is said to have made outside of court. The court took particular exception to that, warning Sami Gyamfi to be responsible in his commentary outside of court. Today, the court did not go into the substantive case. The cross-examination of Richard Jakpa did not continue because of certain interlocutory matters that are currently before the court. But the judge, Justice Ifiasewa Sareboche, had a warning to all the parties to tone down on the commentary that have gone on so far around the case, particularly since that bombshell of an allegation was made in open court by Richard Jakpa that the Attorney General had made certain attempts at getting him to incriminate the minority leader. The judge had a warning that they should not get themselves involved in commentary that can actually scandalize the court and poison the minds about the particular hearings so far. Sami Gyamfi, speaking to journalists afterwards, says he does not believe he made any wrong comments. He believes and agrees with the judge in principle that the commentary must go down, but they will continue to make forceful points about what they think is right.
In principle, the caution of the court was in order, and it is something that we in the NDC agree with, and that is why right from the outset we have been very circumspect in whatever we say on this case and have assured that the court is not in any way or form scandalized. I think the particular reference to me was something that, in my humble opinion, the courts, got wrong, and I took the opportunity to draw the court's attention to the fact that the said comment was not about this court or the presiding judge in this trial. I think that you are aware that we have a press conference at 2 p.m. to address the unprofessional and criminal conduct of the Attorney General in this matter.
The Deputy Attorney General, Alfred Tuah, says the Attorney General himself is currently outside the country, has not made any decision as to whether or not he will recuse himself from this case. He's currently on official duties outside the country, and when he returns, will continue in the assignments he's currently undertaking. The Attorney General has come under fire. There are calls for his resignation or for President Akufo-Addo to fire him for that allegation that have been made against him. The Deputy Attorney General has also been giving certain indication as to what they make of all the public commentary that have been going on so far. Is AG around? Is AG intending to take any further steps about the allegations made against him in open court last week?
AG is on an official assignment and he'll be back very soon.
There are many calls that, looking at what is happening, the AG should step up.
That's the decision of the AG to make, but I don't see it that way. I do not see any tension. We are prosecuting our case. They are defending their clients, and that's how the legal system works. So far as we are doing our work in court, we continue to do it and nothing else. So there's no tension. I don't know the controversy you are talking about. A mere allegation has been made. And so if anybody thinks that he may want a committee to be set up, I disagree with such a person. And I don't see anyone who may want to even think that it's a matter that borders on the integrity of the Attorney General or any other thing. He's very resolute. He's well composed. He's out of jurisdiction. He'll be back to continue his work as an Attorney General.
The court is expected to return next week, Tuesday. Certain applications are currently before the court. The court will then hear those applications. The judge says she needs to make a reasoned ruling on that, and then the case will proceed. Reporting for Joy News, Kweku Asante, High Court Complex, Accra.